Remove the trim panel on the side of the center console under the cab. Unscrew the screws on the cab floor. Use the tools to remove the cab floor. Note that the footrest light on the bottom plate needs to be removed. Remove the foam cotton buckle in front of the head unit. Unscrew the 2 screws on the head unit. Take out the head unit. Take out the Carplay product. A dial table is attached to the module. Measure the screen size of the original car, as shown in the figure. You need to change the dialing code on the dial according to the screen size. Connect Carplay's Bluetooth antenna and Wi-Fi antenna to the module. Take out the 2 LVDS cables of Carplay, and connect them to the module. Connect the USB cable to the module. Take out the Carplay main line, and connect the white plug to the module. Unplug the 48-pin plug on the back of the head unit. Then unplug the video cable on the back of the head unit. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable female with the original car video cable. Connect the male end of the LVDS cable to the original car head unit. Connect Carplay's 48-pin main line with the original car main line. And connect the other end to the original car head unit. Velcro can be attached to the module. The original car head unit can be put back in place. Glue the Carplay module to the head unit with Velcro. Carplay installation is complete. Restore the original car layout. Enter the media interface in the original vehicle system and select AUX. Press and hold the menu button to switch the Carplay system. You can enter the Bluetooth interface to view Carplay's Bluetooth name and other information. Turn on Bluetooth in the phone settings interface. Search for and connect to Carplay Bluetooth. Click Pair and Allow. Click to use Carplay. Connect successfully and enjoy wireless Carplay.
你是昨日晚风，不羁穿过了指缝。你最擅长逃脱，让我的拥抱落空。情话散落在梦境。你让我最想好梦，然后。
电话语音，打电话给10086，打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
这电话挂断。
为您提供详细导航播报。高德地图持续为您导航。情话散落在梦境。
If CarPlay is connected, enter the mobile phone settings interface. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Enter the mirroring interface on the CarPlay system. Turn on Wi-Fi in the phone settings interface, and connect to CarPlay's Wi-Fi. After the connection is successful, open the phone drop-down shortcut menu, click Screen Mirroring, and connect to mirroring. If you connect successfully, you can enjoy the wireless mirroring function. Stable transmission with zero latency.
可以修复好了，可以熄屏了，现在都行。可以被它修复好了，
就像他从来没有离开过。
手机是可以熄屏。
他给我们的一场场美梦。
哇，这里边好多啊！
有些梦，你明明拥有，却不会随同。
对。
有些梦。